Good afternoon, everyone. So now we are done with the property management module, and we are now discussing about sales and how we can manage or maximize the sales application and accounting process or the sales offer and the procedure of how we are reconciling the account of the clients and how we can share the sales offer to them. So basically, first we will make a sales offer, and we have a free, very easy and quickest way to prepare a sales offer. So before we are doing the sales offer, we must ensure that all the client details is there. So if we will have, so we can have a better or streamline the process on preparing the sales offer. So let's assume that sales offer contact details was already done, and now we are preparing the sales offer. So I suggest that salesperson will be booted once the deal is already closed, because not all the clients that we are sending sales offer will commit or will be closed. So for now we will having a open field, which is the salesperson. So now we will have here the templates. So in the template, because this is the customer details, so the template is like you are pre-build quotation, which is in just one click it will give you a very nice order lines. So after that one, once it will be clicked, you can easily put the approved team. So basically, if how many sales team is there, we can identify in which team are you related, because it will also give your team invoicing target. So if you will select here, and of course your manager will approve it before you can able to share this sales offer. So basically, we just need to select the unit price, and once you will see all details is correct, then we can able to send. But for example that you are needing a discounts, so we have discounts here. If we will apply in all order lines, or we will just apply as a whole discount for the whole amount or the total amount of the invoice or the sales of offer. So for example, we will giving 1% for the whole total amount. So basically it will be 10,351 for 1%. And say we will having confirm, but in here we cannot able to confirm if it is not approved. So that's why the managers should approve first, especially for the payment or the sales offer that has discounts. So for example, it's already approved, so I will delete so I can able to approve these things. So once it will be approved, and then you can able to confirm the payment or the sales offer. So once the sales offer is already confirmed, it will send email to the client that this is the offer that we have. So for this unit, this is the format. So it will be having a cover page. If you want to change, we can change. And the
Good
details,
afternoon,
like
everyone.
the customer, the company, and the details of the payment. No, the details of the price of the unit, the DLD fee, the admin fee, and then the payment plan. So for example, we select this payment plan. So it will the breakdown, and also the floor plan or the footer. We can put also if whatever you want. Here I just put the floor plan for one bedroom. So basically this is pre-built, and we can build it on the back end. So now once it's the sales offer is sent, so the client will be notified through email, and he will receive this format. So he will see that that's it. So once he will approve or he will be okay, he will be replying that okay, this is fine. So he can also able to confirm. So the agent and the admin and the customer can able to confirm the sales order, and so it will be available for invoicing. So now all details is there. So now I want to create the invoice. So once I will create the invoice, it means that I will be asking payment to the client for the booking. So now here the payments and the details is all here. And now we want to invoice, confirm the invoice. And if we want to send or print the invoice, we can do it. Okay, so he will receive invoice like this. And if we have already integrated in our system, then he can easily click pay for this invoice. So now we can click here pay, so he can pay basically in the invoice that we sent to the client. So for now we will skip that one. So once we invoice and go back to sales, and we will open another tab for the in accounting. So now we are on the accounting part. So the sales part is already done, and now we are on the accounting side. So it will be me, Shen, and all the finance team will be working on this application. So now I can see here that there is new invoices created, and now the admin team has received a confirmation that the client has paid. So from the sales module, you can easily click the paid, register payment, and let's say the client has paid around 300,000. Let's say so, create payment, and they will just attach the proof of payment here or in the payment itself. So afterwards, the account team will verify. So basically, Shen, most of the time, Shen is the confirming the payment that we receive. For example, he sent the payment in our bank accounts or whatever mode of payments other than cash, but all payments has been validated by Shen. So once he will approve, now I will be intervening. So I will be the one who will reconcile the account of the client. So once he approve, so I will check everything. Payment is okay. The attachment is there. So I can able to confirm now and reconcile the account of the client. So afterwards, if I will see here, and let's say the creation date is this one. No, not that one. It's 300,000. So here, the 300,000 is here. No, 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 that is this part. It's 1 point something. Yeah, here. So now I can easily add, and I can able to reconcile the payment of the client once the sales. So the sales team will know that the amount is already validated and it's already confirmed because they have also their monitoring on their dashboard. So now here we can go to orders. They can say that 300,000 has been paid through this client, and how much percent? So 29.28. So that's how we can do here in the sales module. We can monitor the payment of the client and his remaining balance. So now if they want to request the receipt and the invoice, they need to approach the accounting because they cannot able to print the receipt. So if they want to request a receipt, we can share to them. For example, here I will share the receipt. So I will share to anyone who will asking, because I will know who created this receipt, so I can share to them very easily. So this is the receipt, and we can now proceed to the another steps.